So hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Nashar Jilani and I'm going to present my 5 question presentation in this recording. I'm presenting my module 1 5 questions which I have to record in the video in this video and I have to submit the video after the recording for the module 1, and this is the recording, and my cohort is Bijay Singh of my module 1. So this is the first question which I have taken. The first question is calculate BMI. So I'm going to read the question first. It's a question number 1. Calculate BMI. Write a JavaScript function calculate BMI that calculates a person's body mass index BMI based on their weight and height and returns a corresponding health classification. The BMI is a commonly used indicator of body weight, status, and health. The function should take two arguments, weight in kilograms and height in meters, and should determine the health classification based on the calculated BMI. To calculate the BMI, use the formula BMI equals to weight slash height multiplied by height. The function should return the health classification as a string. Determine the health classification based on the calculated BMI. If BMI is less than 18.5, the person is classified as underweight. If BMI is between 18.5 inclusive and 24.9 inclusive, the person is classified as normal weight. If BMI is between 25 inclusive and 29.9 inclusive, the person is classified as overweight. If BMI is 29.9 or higher, the person is classified as obese. So this is the code which I get with this question. This code is with error. So in this question I just find an error in this particular if as a statement. Here if as a statement says that BMI is greater than equal to 18.5 or BMI is less than 24.9, which is incorrect. There should be an and operator in this. And in the second if else statement, BMI equals greater than equal to 25, again the or is there, which should be and. So this is a solution with the correct coding. Here I replace the or with the and after the replacing the code is running perfectly, and this is the solution of this question. So now I'm going to jump on a second question which I taken from module 1 again. It's of convert temperature. Again, it's a second question of this recording there. So I'm going to again read this question first. Write a JavaScript function convert temperature that converts temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales, providing a flexible tool for users to switch between these two common temperatures units. The function should take two arguments, temperature unit, where temperature is the numeric value of the temperature to the converter, and unit is a string indicating an initial temperature unit, C for Celsius or F for Fahrenheit. The function should return the converted temperature value rounded to two decimal places where the converted scales as a string. If unit is C means Celsius, convert the Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit using the formula Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. If unit is F means Fahrenheit, convert the Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius using the formula Celsius equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 whole multiplied by 5 by 9. And third condition is if unit is neither C or F means Celsius or F, and then it should return invalidated. Use C for Celsius or F for Fahrenheit. So this is the code which I get with this question in module. It is of error. It is contain error in this. So here I find the error in this return function, and in this const Celsius function where in this question it is taken variable wrongly as a person sign. And again in the third error I find again in this return function. So the correct solution with the so the correct coding with solution is written here in the below of this incorrect one. So I just replace the written first with the with a dollar Fahrenheit to fixed to and bracket Fahrenheit F, and and I taken a variable Celsius equal to temperature minus 32 multiplied by 5, which is divided by 9, and again I taken a return of the function dollar Celsius dot to fix dot to fix to degree centigrade. So now if I put these two written functions and put the variable with the 5 by 9 at the end of this variable, so I this code is running perfectly, and again this code is running perfectly. So now I'm going to jump on a third question, which is calculate tip. So this is a tip calculator question. Again, I'm going to read this question. Write a JavaScript function calculate tip that calculates the total amount to be paid including the tip based on the bill amount and a specified tip percentage. The function should take the argument bill amount, the total bill amount, and tip percentage. The tip percentage to be applied express as a decimal. Calculate the tip amount by multiply the bill amount by the tip percentage and the calculate tip amount to the bill amount to get the total amount to be paid. The function should return the total amount to be paid rounded to two decimal places as a number. So this is the code which I get with this question. The first error in this question is that the variable is not taken round total amount, which is taken in this solution, and also in the return it is incorrect taken. To return the function, the return is incorrect in this error code, and the right one is round total amount. So again putting the const variable round total amount equals to pass float and the bracket total amount to fixed number 2 under bracket, and taking return round total amount. This code is running perfectly. Now the fourth question is the vowel count. The fourth question, again I'm reading this question. Write our JavaScript functions count vowel that counts the number of vowel a, e, I, o, u in a given string. The function should take a argument str string. The function should return the count of vowel in the input string. So this is the code with the error which I get in this fourth question in module. So this is the code which having an error here. The error is I find is that the const verbal equals to is taken in an array, which is wrong in this error, which is wrongly put in this code in an array as a string, and again the const variable low string is also incorrect, and the for function which is taken for loop which is taken in this is also incorrect. So this is a solution with the correct the function count vowel string is there, should be in this uh, questions code, and again from this line the const vowel I taken an const variable as name as vowel regis, and equals to slash array AEIOU and slash GI, and to match the method to get an array of the match vowel, I taken const variable as vowel array equals to str string match under bracket vowel regis, and to check if the vowel array is null, no matches, and return 0 as return the length. So I taken the return uh, function vowel array questions mark vowel array dot length semicolon 0. So after putting all these codes serial by serial, this solutions is completed, and the code is also running perfectly. Now the fifth question of this recording of this presentation is find longs words. The question is longs words length. I'm again reading the question. Write up JavaScript functions called find longs word that takes a sentence string as an input and determines the length of the longest word within the sentences. Code with the error is this. This is the code which I get in with the error in this code. So this is the code with the error with this question. With this question which is in the module. So I just find the error in this for loop function which is taken in this question, and the right one is right code with this in this solution is written in below. Uh, the function will be the same, and the cons variable in this question is also be the same, and the letter variable which is taken as equal to 0 is also be the same. And now the loop which is taken as a for and upwards in this error is wrong, and in the solution is the correct. We should have to take a for cons word of words, and in this question function should be taken as a variable length is equal to word dot length, because we are taking the length to count the words with length. And we also take an if statement, length is greater than max length and max length equals to length, and we're going to take the return of this function max length. And this, after putting all this code, this question is completed, and the code is also running according to this question. So thank you. Thank you. This is my recording, and all the questions are running in VS Code, and I hope I can able to explain to you perfectly. If there is any mistakes in this explanation, please apologize for that. Thank you so much for considering my video. Thank you.